Are you looking for the best discount on Dog Silencer Pro? Amazon often offers 50% or more reductions on selected items, but doesn't promote them due to lower profit margins. But what if I told you that you could easily find these hidden gems or bargains? Would you be interested? Introducing the Amazon Discount Finder. It's really easy to use. First, select your country, US, UK, or Canada. Select Home and Garden as main category and Pet Supplies as subcategory. Discount 50 to 100% and sort by relevance. Finally, enter Dog Silencer Pro as keywords, and click on Search. Or, you can just click on the Quick Discount Finder button. Without using the form, you will be directed to this page. Pet Supplies. 50% off or more. Amazon Discount Finder has searched the entire Amazon's database and found these hidden bargains that may save you lots of dollars. So if you want to find the best bargain on Dog Silencer Pro, just click on the link below.
Hush, puppy. Turn that love-hate relationship into just love. I bet you wish you could hear me right now, but the dog is barking too loud and being annoying. This is a constant problem for dog owners all over.
Hi, I'm Johnny Hatch. Hidden in this little tasty dog treat is a capsule that holds a secret to household peace. This nano capsule, powered by the modial interaction of magnetoreluctance and passive directance, has the power to silence your dog's barks so you can relax with peace and serenity. All it takes is one nano capsule.
Hush, puppy. Turn that love-hate relationship into just love.